Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. This week, the medical device world saw a seismic shift decades in the making. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration's final rule on the Quality Management System Regulation, or QMSR, officially took effect. This is not just another update. It fundamentally overhauls the framework for quality management in the world's largest medical device market. The new QMSR finally harmonizes the FDA's requirements with the international standard, ISO 13485:2016. For any company selling devices in both the United States and other major markets like Europe or Canada, this is a landmark event. For years, manufacturers have navigated the complexities of maintaining two similar yet distinct quality systems. The old QSR, also known as 21 CFR Part 820, had its own unique terminology and structural nuances. This forced companies to duplicate documentation, run parallel processes for activities like management reviews and internal audits, and train teams on two different standards. The promise of the new QMSR is streamlined efficiency, reduced administrative burden, and a single unified approach to quality management. However, the real story is in the details. This is not a simple replacement of one rule with another. The FDA has adopted what experts are calling an ISO 13485 Plus model. While the core of the new QMSR is ISO 13485, the FDA has been clear that it will retain certain concepts and requirements from the old QSR. For example, specific clauses related to device labeling, packaging, and traceability may still have unique FDA interpretations. Manufacturers cannot simply assume that their existing ISO 13485 certification makes them automatically compliant with the new QMSR. The critical task right now is conducting a meticulous gap analysis. For instance, consider a company that manufactures orthopedic implants. Their ISO 13485 system is robust, but the FDA's specific requirements for tracking implantable devices from manufacturer to patient are unique. Under the new QMSR, these tracking requirements will still be enforced, even if they are not explicitly detailed in the main body of ISO 13485. A failure to identify and integrate the specific FDA requirement into their newly harmonized quality system could lead to a serious compliance failure during the next FDA inspection. The transition to the new inspection model, based on a total product lifecycle approach, further complicates matters. This is a moment of great opportunity for efficiency, but it is also a moment of risk for those who overlook the critical details. For a deeper understanding of how this change impacts your specific product portfolio, you can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit pureglobal@pureglobal.com.